The 19th century was a time of great change. The world was rapidly transforming with the advent of the Industrial Revolution. Factories were springing up, and cities were growing at an unprecedented rate. And invention. People worked long hours, darkness fell, and they needed better light. The streets were dimly lit by gas lamps, casting eerie shadows and making it difficult to navigate. Candles were common, but messy. They dripped wax and needed constant attention. In homes, people relied on these flickering flames, but they were far from ideal. Whale oil lamps provided brighter light. These lamps were a step up from candles, offering a steadier and more luminous glow. But whale oil was expensive and becoming scarce. The demand for whale oil led to overhunting, pushing whale populations to the brink and driving up costs. The world needed a new source of light. Chemists and inventors experimented. They were driven by the necessity to find a solution that could illuminate the night more effectively. They sought a fuel that burned cleanly and brightly. The goal was to find something that could replace the unreliable and costly sources of light that were currently in use. They looked for a fuel that was affordable and abundant. The search led them to explore various natural resources, hoping to discover the perfect solution. The answer, it would turn out, lay in the Earth itself. Deep beneath the surface, a new source of light awaited discovery, one that would revolutionize the way people lived and worked. Abraham Gesner, a Canadian geologist, was fascinated by the potential of bituminous substances. Born in 1797, Gesner's curiosity and passion for geology led him to explore the natural resources around him. He was particularly intrigued by the sticky black liquid known as bitumen, which he believed held untapped potential. He experimented with this substance, conducting numerous tests and trials. Bitumen, a naturally occurring form of petroleum, was often used for waterproofing and as an adhesive. But Gesner saw beyond its conventional uses. Gesner believed it held the key to a new fuel source. His relentless experimentation and innovative thinking led him to hypothesize that bitumen could be refined into a more useful form of fuel. In 1849, after years of meticulous research, he successfully distilled a clear, thin liquid from bitumen. This was a groundbreaking moment in the history of fuel development. This liquid burned brightly and cleanly, producing a steady flame without the smoke and odor associated with other fuels of the time. It was a significant improvement over whale oil, which was commonly used for lighting. He called it kerosene, derived from the Greek word for wax, keros. The name reflected the substance's clean burning properties and its potential to replace less efficient fuels. Gesner had discovered a fuel that would illuminate the world. Kerosene lamps soon became widespread, transforming night into day and revolutionizing how people lived and worked after dark. His discovery marked the beginning of a new era in lighting and energy. The process of making kerosene was relatively simple, yet it required a series of meticulous steps to ensure quality and efficiency. First, workers mined bitumen, a tar-like substance found in natural deposits. This bitumen was rich in hydrocarbons, making it an ideal raw material for kerosene production. Then they heated the bitumen in large vats, a process called distillation. This heating was done at controlled temperatures to ensure the bitumen broke down effectively. Heating separated the bitumen into different components based on boiling points. Each component had a unique boiling point, allowing for precise separation. Kerosene, with its specific boiling point, vaporized and rose to the top of the vat. This vapor was then collected for further processing. Workers then cooled and condensed the vapor back into liquid kerosene. This cooling process was crucial to convert the vapor into a usable liquid form. Finally, they purified the kerosene, making it ready for use in lamps. The purification process removed impurities, ensuring the kerosene burned cleanly and efficiently. A safer, brighter light. Kerosene quickly gained popularity. It was safer than flammable whale oil. Kerosene lamps produced a brighter, steadier light than candles. Kerosene was also more affordable than whale oil. This affordability made it accessible to a wider population. The demand for kerosene grew rapidly. This demand led to the development of the modern oil industry. Kerosene's lasting impact. The discovery of kerosene had a profound impact on society. Homes, businesses, and streets were illuminated with kerosene lamps. The invention of the kerosene lamp extended the day into the night. People could work, read, and socialize for longer hours. Kerosene also fueled innovation. It paved the way for the development of the internal combustion engine. Kerosene's legacy continues to this day, shaping the world we live in. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content. updates, and new uploads from Manufactour straight to your feed.